I'm Wayne Pollock. I'm a thought leadership ghostwriter serving big law and boutique law firm partners. I help these partners build their prominence and their practice one word at a time. Let's talk about Costco and the one philosophy you should steal from the company to boost your thought leadership efforts. If you've ever walked into a Costco, which you might well have done because as of November 2022, Costco says it had 120.9 million membership cardholders. When you walk into a Costco and you mosey down to the food area, the food sections, there's a darn good chance you're going to find people sampling the products that Costco sells. They might be sampling snacks, chips, candy, cheese, drinks, whatever it might be. But you can get yourself a sample of food, and some people are known to get more than one or even a bunch of samples whenever they are at Costco. They're not just doing this to be nice. There's a reason why they sample product. They sample it because they want people to try a product before they buy it. If they're on the fence or they never heard it before, they can sample the product, know they like it, and then buy it. And then on the other side of the coin, there's loyalty. Brands like to be sampled and asked to be sampled because it can build up loyalty because they are getting out in front of Costco's consumers on a regular basis. They see the product more often and they feel loyal to it. They've had it, they've sampled it, and they want to go get it because they're aware of it more than they might be other products who aren't getting out in front of them through sampling that might be competing with those products. This sampling philosophy should be a driving force behind your thought leadership efforts, because when you create thought leadership in the form of a blog, a bylined article in a third-party publication, a podcast, a video, something else, you are giving samples. You are giving current, prospective, and even past clients and referral sources a sampling of so many aspects of your legal practice. So for example, when you write thought leadership content, you are obviously giving a sample of the knowledge and wisdom regarding the area of law you practice and or the industries that you serve. You are showing them that you're knowledgeable and wise because you are commenting on developments regarding that area, developments within the industry, and you are putting it out there. Your thought leadership efforts include samples of your analytical ability to consider the big picture. When you are tying legal developments or developments in the industry to the bigger picture, to bigger picture issues, bigger picture concerns your clients could have, should have, you are showing that you can analyze the situation and you can consider the big picture, which will of course come in handy if they were to retain you for a new matter. Same thing when you are producing thought leadership content where you are injecting your view of the world. Perhaps it's overzealous prosecutors, perhaps it's regulators who are not keeping up with the speed of business and technology. Whatever your kind of personal subjective spin is, that is of course in line with your client's view of the world, you are giving out samples of that to current and prospective clients and referral sources, and you are reaffirming to them, or you are affirming to them that you are a good fit because you see the world the way they see the world, and obviously they want to hire an attorney who sees the world the same way that they see the world. Your thought leadership efforts also sample your personality. When you inject some humor, you inject some lightheartedness, you inject some pop culture references or food and drink references or car references, you are giving a glimpse of your personality. You are showing clients, referral sources, just a tad of your personality, which they might see more of down the road if they were to retain you. In addition, your thought leadership also builds loyalty, like the sampling at Costco, because when you are always showing up, when you are always educating, when you are always building rapport with audiences by putting out thought leadership content, they start to see you more and more, and you begin to rise above your competitors, rise above your peers, because you are out there. You are present just like those products are compared to the products not being sampled. Costco is a wonderful place, whether it is the super cheap food at its food court, whether it is the large amount of products you can buy at any given time, whether it's the friendly people handing out those samples. There's a good reason why Costco has over 120 million cardholders in the United States. But there's a lesson here for you to take away from Costco, and that is to not consider your thought leadership to merely be articles, blog posts, videos, podcasts, whatever. It's more than that. It is a sample. Your thought leadership, each and every piece of thought leadership is a sample that allows your current, past, and prospective clients and referral sources to get a sample of how you might handle their legal problems, or in the referral sources situation, their clients' legal problems. It is an opportunity for you to get out into the world and show the world how you might approach a legal or business issue. It is the key way that people who don't know you or who only somewhat know you can be reassured that you actually have the goods, you have the knowledge and wisdom to help them with whatever they might retain a lawyer for, because they are consistently getting samples of your thinking, of your worldview, of your personality. If you're interested in learning more about how to create the kind of relevant, valuable, and compelling thought leadership content that serves as irresistible samples for clients and referral sources, check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We have plenty of blog posts, videos, and podcast episodes that can help you do just that.